Bring them across to the right. Step up. Get over. Missed your hind lead. Trot. You didn't get your move. We're going to go do a lead change. Now stay up. Stay up. All the way across. Let's see, we'll change. Step up. Stay up. Got him. There it is. Good. Now go do it again. Go flying lead change. Now stand up. Step right up and lean the hardest. Come on. Step up that right stirrup. Stay up. Stay up. Guide. Get over. Trot. Roll back. Easy. Just shake. Good girl. Come back. Bring that nose. Pull that nose right. Go. Roll back again. And just move. Good. Turn them left. And 360. Come on, Tanglefoot. Step around, easy. Now go. Inside roll. Nice job, Jess. Come on, step left. Now let him out. 360. Push, easy. Finish it. Bring him right. Step the nose. Bring the head a little bit. Bring the nose now, big time. Good. Do an inside roll. Bring him around to the right. Left lead out. You got it. That was a little dicey. Stop. All right, Jess.
All righty then.
Back up. Back up. Take that home and show that to Mayseal. All right. Good job, girl. Really good.